is officially the fall season. It is literally one of my favorite seasons. I love the colors, I love the aesthetics, I love the recipes. So I actually have a recipe for you today, and it is my sweet potato pie juice recipe. And I'm so excited because the warm flavors of it, the taste of the sweet potatoes, and if you haven't juiced sweet potatoes before, you're gonna love this. So I highly recommend you try it if you haven't yet. On top of that, I will be using my Cannoli JE24 juicer to see if it's able to handle these sweet potatoes. I've heard a lot of good reviews in the comments from those of you who have tried the JE24, so I definitely want to see if it could hold up to this heavy piece of vegetable. So aside from that, I'm so excited because I'm also starting my juice cleanse today. For those of you that's been following my channel, every season I do a juice cleanse to reset my body and just essentially get back on track. So now that it's the fall equinox, I'll be doing the 7-day juice cleanse. And if you want to join me or just kind of see some behind the scenes of my journey, be sure to join the Juicing Sanctuary, which is a private Facebook group I created for juicers like us to come together, heal together, share recipes, whatever the case is, so that we can have community in our healing. So I'm so excited. Definitely check me out there if you want. The link will be in my description below. All right, so enough with that. Let's go ahead and start juicing this recipe. But first, let me show you the ingredients. We're gonna have 1 medium sweet potato. We're gonna have 2 green apples. We're gonna have 1 inch of ginger, and then we're gonna have a little bit of cinnamon that we're gonna sprinkle on top once it is complete. A nice simple recipe that tastes amazing. It's literally one of my favorites. So let's get started. First, I gotta say that it smells so good. It gives me the energy of like Thanksgiving or walking into a coffee shop and they just brew like pumpkin latte spice. It's giving autumn, okay? It's giving autumn, and I'm so excited for it. First, I do want to say I am so surprised how it handled those sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes to me is like one of the hardest vegetables, and I was a little on edge. I'm like, let's see if this juicer could actually handle it, but it handled it like a pro. As you can see, it did an amazing job. So I'm definitely excited to try it, and if you're interested in this juicer, you can find the link to it in my description, and you can use the discount code YESHA to get 15% off. All right, so I'm excited to try it. So I'm not gonna lie, I haven't tried this recipe in a whole year. If you wanna add more sweet potatoes, you can. If you want it a little more spicy, just add a little more ginger. If you want it a little more sweet, add more apple. You could play with the ingredients to get the exact taste that you're looking for. And that's one thing that I love about juicing, essentially. So I'm gonna stop talking, let me give this a try. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm so excited for this season. I'm actually about to do a batch of this. This is so good. I feel like this is gonna be a good juice to start off my juice cleanse. So if you haven't tried it before, you have to try it now. It is so good. Oh my goodness. And I also love that there's no pulp. The sweet potatoes have a real decadent taste. Like it tastes like a sweet potato pie to me. Hence the name of the recipe. So that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more recipe videos, let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. And also, if you want to join me on my juice cleanse or just want to be a part of my juicing community, be sure to join the private Facebook group, The Juicing Sanctuary, below. The link will be in my description. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share the love. I would truly appreciate it. And I hope to see you all in the next videos. Mm-mm-mm.